In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Stripe with Podia. By the end, your Podia store will be ready to accept payments securely through Stripe, so you can start selling without any payment headaches. Begin inside your Podia dashboard. From there, head to Settings. In Settings, open the Payments section. This is where Podia centralizes everything related to checkout, pricing, and payment processors. You'll see Stripe listed as the recommended option for taking credit card payments. Select Stripe, then choose Connect. Podia will redirect you to a secure Stripe window to handle the connection. At this point, you have two choices: connect an existing Stripe account or create a new one. If you already use Stripe, simply authorize the connection so Podia can send payments to it. If you're new to Stripe, you can create an account right from the connection window. It's quick, free, and designed to get you selling as soon as your details are verified. Just follow the prompts on screen until Stripe confirms the account is ready to link. Stripe will guide you through a few security steps. You'll be asked to enable two-factor authentication to protect your account, and it's a good idea to use an authenticator app for convenience and security. Next, Stripe will request your business information. This includes details used to verify your identity and the information that appears on your customer's card statements, such as your business name or descriptor. Make sure what you enter is accurate and recognizable to your audience to avoid chargebacks caused by unclear statements. Depending on regulations in your country, you may be able to register and sell as an individual, so choose the option that best describes how you operate. When you finish the Stripe setup, confirm and authorize the connection. You'll be brought back to Podia, where Stripe should now show as connected in the Payments section. Take a moment to review the status and your payout details so everything aligns with your business location and currency. From here on, Podia will route customer purchases through Stripe, and payouts will flow to the bank account you set up in Stripe. To wrap up, refresh your Podia Payments page to double-check the connection and consider running a small test purchase to confirm everything is working as expected. If something seems off, ensure you're using an admin account in Podia and that browser extensions aren't blocking the Stripe window. That's it. Your Podia store is now integrated with Stripe and ready to accept payments securely